here's my new chopper, and we pop that onto there. Pop it onto the work surface. Veg just roughly chopped, and some garlic and some chilli, and we pop it into there like that, like this, and then we pop it on the top. This comes off as well for easy cleaning, yeah, and we pop it into there. We attach it to there, and then, sorry, chop chop. And if I want it finer, have a look. It's making me cough, the chilli. Right, then what I shall do now is zim zam wallop. Look at that. Done in seconds. I then pop it into my stir fry bag, stop me coughing, and then we put in the freezer for my stir fry. Hope you like the demonstration. Bye bye.
And this is the blade, so you can see it's very sharp and sturdy. This is the lid, and this is the plaster. They just put that, and there's a lot here, and then just put. You can see it's very easy to use. Helped me a lot to save a lot of time in the kitchen. So yeah, from the bottom of my heart, with a sincere opinion, I highly recommend it. And this is for the veggies, if you like to chop vegetable to make salad. So